welcome back to Kay's Kitchen. Today we will be making a Filipino dish called chicken adobo. So for our ingredients, we will have 2 cups of water, your adobo seasoning, just 1 package, spiced vinegar, dark brown sugar, minced garlic, black pepper, a whole onion sliced into long strides, and then your chicken with the bone. You can do drumsticks, thighs, and make sure you wash your chicken in water and with lime juice. All right, and then our first step on the stove is going to cook our onions with our minced garlic. All right guys, so we're going to pour our olive oil in our pan, just enough to brown the onions. Now we're going to put our onions in the pan with the olive oil. And do a little bit at a time. And now for the minced garlic, you want to do about 1 tablespoon. Like that. And then just sprinkle it. And then we're going to mix the onions and the minced garlic until they are a little brown. Alright guys, so the next step after you fry your onion and your minced garlic, you're going to season your chicken or your pork with black pepper. One thing about Filipino dishes is they don't really use a lot of salty seasonings. They really only use black pepper. Okay, now once we season our chicken, we're going to shake it up and then mix it on the stove. There's our thighs. Let's get to our drumsticks. All right. Now we're going to bring our drumsticks to the stove, and we're going to add it into our onions. Flip our onions just a little bit. We're going to turn the heat down to medium-low and get some time. Alright. Now when we add our chicken, we want to make sure our chicken cooks thoroughly before we add any of the extra stuff. Okay, so once this chicken is all cooked, we will be back on. Alright guys, now that our chicken is fully cooked, thighs and drumsticks, we're going to add our water. Now I did 2 cups, but if you want more juice, then you're more than welcome to add some more. The water is really just for the juice flavor. Then we're going to add in our adobo seasoning. I'm going to add in the full packet, and I'm going to just sprinkle it all over. Okay. Now we're going to add our spiced vinegar. Now for the spiced vinegar, you're going to add at least 1 spatula. You're just going to fill it up and pour it over the chicken. Now for the brown sugar, you want to use dark brown sugar for the flavor. Light brown sugar doesn't really give you any flavor. You're going to do about 2 spatulas of this. If you want more brown sugar flavor, you can add more. I'm going to add just a little more. Alright. Now once you added all of that in, you're just going to mix it in with the chicken. I have multiple spatulas to use. So I'm just going to turn it You want to make sure the brown sugar gets in with the water. That way it can soak. Just want to move your chicken around. All right, we're gonna let this soak in. You're gonna put your heat on medium low. And we're gonna let it soak for about 20 minutes. That way the flavor gets in there. All right guys, so our adobo is done. This is our plate with the rice. This is our adobo. If you guys could smell it, you will be in love. All right, so we're gonna make our plate. So for the rice, you want to get the sauce. You can go anywhere in this chicken. And just pour it over the rice. Alright, and then now we're going to get our chicken. If you prefer it on top of the rice, go ahead. Or some people don't like their food on top, so we just put it on the side. Just like that. Alright. You guys can also do this in a bowl if you prefer it all together. Alright, well this is my Filipino chicken adobo. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Also, the ingredients will be down below in the description. Thank you for watching.